Good morning, everyone. As you can see, yesterday itself, I had explained question number 19, okay, of exercise 3E. So I'm just moving towards the text of exercise 3F. If you will see square root of numbers in decimal form, okay, make the number decimal places even by affixing a zero if necessary. That means only decimal is there, then before decimal there should be zero. Now mark the period and find out the square root by long division method. Same process is here also long division occur. Only you have to keep it in mind that if the numbers after point comes under division, at that time you have to keep point even in questions. So if you'll see, put the decimal point in the square root as soon as the integral part is exhausted. Do you know integral part? Integral part means that part which is just before point. Okay. So if you will see over here, page number 55, it is the first example here. It has been given that evaluate root under 42.25. You can see before point there will be pair, okay, from 1's tens it will be making one pair. In same way 10th 100 it will be making next pair. So in same way you will see over here the pair has been formed using division method. We find the square root of the given number as shown below, that is 42.25 it is. So 6 are 36, and while subtracting it comes 6. Now you can see the next pair is after the point, so here point has been kept and it becomes 625, okay, and double of 6 is 12. So now after keeping 5, all of you know 125 into 5 is 625. Simply you can multiply also. If you don't know, then you can see 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 2 is 10, and 2 12, okay, and then after 5 1 is 5 1 6, so it becomes 625, okay. So what happens, 6.5 becomes the root of 42.25. There is no difference in long division either in decimal form or in number form. Simply you have to keep the point. In integral part we take pair from 1's tens, one pair, 100,000 next pair, 10,000, and lakh another pair. That means 2 it goes up. If at last suppose 1's tens is there and 100 is only there, then single number will form a pair. In the same way after point also there will be pair. 10th and 100 will be making always one pair. Keep in mind 1's and 10th, that means one number before point and one number after point, they will never form a pair. That you have to keep it in the mind. That's all. Okay, so if you will see example 2, here it is root under 1.96, okay. So how to find? Same way, okay, before point there will be one pair. You can see there was only one digit, so it forms single digit pair, and after point there will be another pair. I had said that before point and after point number will never combine. That you have to keep it in the brain. So if you will see 1 1 is 1, okay, it has been cancelled, and then after point numbers comes, that is 9 6. So we know double of 1 is 2, and 4 even you will keep, that 24 into 4 it is 96. So it has been done, and you can see written, therefore root under 1.96 is equal to 1.4. If you will see example 3, okay, here it has been said to evaluate root under 6.4009. As you can see, before point one period, then after next period, that is 10,100, and another is 1,000 and 10,000, another period. So at first you have to divide 6, okay, so 3 3 is 9, it will become bigger, so 2 2 is 4, okay, and then after here remains 2, and after point digit comes that 40, so point will be here, okay, and then after if you will see when we will keep 5, okay, you can understand by keeping 4 and 6 you can watch. 4 you will keep, then it will become more smaller, and 6 you will keep, then it will become bigger. So you have to take just one digit less than the bigger one. So 45 into 5 it becomes how much? What digit you have to keep over here? The same, with the same digit you have to multiply. This I had said you earlier in long division method also. So you can see 45 into 5 it becomes 5 into 5 25, carry 2, and 4 5 is 20, and 2 22. So when it is subtracted, what happens? 10 minus 5 is 5, and here 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so now the last pair comes down, that is 09 will come down, and if you will see, okay, 2.5 is there, but don't take it as 2.5, just take it as 50, okay. 25 you have to take it at, or simply when you had kept 5, you can add 5 over here and you can make it 50. Double up that is there, but in that case you don't have to see point while doubling. Okay, so this will be understood as 25 for doubling, so it becomes 50. And now when we keep 3, so it becomes how much? 1509. You can see 3 3 are 9, and then after 0, and then after 5 3 are 15, so it becomes 1509, and you can see 2.53. so therefore root under 6.4009 is equal to 2.53. This is the way how we can find square root of decimal number also. So if you will see example number 4, okay, root under 0.4225. Using the division method, we find the square root of the given number as shown below. Here what happens, just before point there is one number 0, actually it doesn't have what value, so here the pair has not been formed. Just after the point, numbers has been taken, so point has been kept over here. For your convenience, even you can keep 0 also, and you can remove the 0, because before point if there is no number, that means there is 0 only. Okay, point has been kept, and just the number after point has been used. So you can see 6 6 is 36. Okay, and then after when it is subtracted, you can see over here 6 comes, and another pair after the point, that is 2 5 comes down, and when double up 6 becomes 12. Okay, as I had said, never understand this as a point. Here of course in question it is point, but while doubling it is used as number only. So double up 6 is 12. Now again when we keep 5, then we get 625. So 5 has been kept and 625 came, and it has been cancelled. So what happens, root under 0.4225 becomes 0.65. Okay, so now here some notes are given. Let's see. Here it has been said to find the value of a square root, correct up to certain places of decimal. If the square root is required, correct up to 2 places of decimal, we shall find it up to 3 places of decimal, and then round it off to 2 places of decimal. So what it has been said, that when we are finding square root of decimal places, okay, and in that case what happens, it goes on continuing, remainder never ends. Then in that case what we can do is, we can see the decimal, we can find out up to 2 decimal places, or if it is said in question that find out up to 3 decimal or 4 decimal places, then up to there you have to find it. Nor in a standard form you have to always find it up to 2 decimal places. No need to go further and further for finding more places. Okay, because it will be taking time, and your other questions will be left if it comes in exams or anywhere else. Okay, so you will see, of course if it is in multiple choice questions, you will see options are up to which digit, and the answer which you are bringing, that is coming up to which digit, which is the nearest answer. In that case you will move towards the nearest answer. Okay, so now here is another question. Similarly, if the square root is required, correct up to 3 decimal places, we shall find it up to 4 decimal places and then round it up. Okay, it has been said, if it is said that if you have to find up to 2 decimal places, then what you have to do, you have to find it up to 3 decimal places and you have to round it up. If you have to find up to 3 decimal places, then you have to find it out up to 4 decimal places and then round it up. Okay, to get 3 decimal places, and so on it goes on. If it is 5, then you have to find up to 6 decimal places and you have to round it up. That means that you have to do. Okay, sometimes what happen, it has been said to find 2 decimal places and we are finding and we are leaving, but in answer by point it slightly goes up. Okay, or it becomes less, there is less chances of becoming less, but up it goes. That is due to rounding up only. So you will find one more and then you will round up. Now if you will see over here, it has been said evaluate root 2 correct up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so using the division method we may find root 2 as shown below. You can see 2.000060 it has been kept, because it has been said up to 2 decimal places. So when there is after decimal 6 numbers are there, then we can find it up to 3 decimal places and we can round it up. So you can see over here it has been done. 1 1 is 1 and 1 came down after point, 2 0 are there, so 2 0 came down and point has been kept over here. 24 4 is 96. Okay, so when you will be doing this, okay, this calculation will be automatically being saved in your mind. What happens, the thing which is done again and again, that calculation, that division, that multiplication, addition, subtraction, simply their short trick goes inside your brain easily. So that's why I'm saying always to do the calculation by yourself. Okay, if you will do the calculation by yourself, you can of course do better. Okay, so if you will see, here it is. It has been done 24 for the 96, and then after while subtracting 4 comes, and again next 20 comes. Now double of 14 is 28, so after keeping 2 it will become more than 500, so 1 has been kept, and it comes 289. While subtracting it becomes 119, again 20 comes. Okay, now double of 141 is 282. Now again 4 has been kept. Of course you can check it by keeping 5 also and 3 also. While keeping 3, of course it will become more smaller, and 5 when you will keep, then you will get bigger. So 4 it has been kept over here. Okay, so you can see 4 for the 16, 6 carry 1, and then after 4 to the 8 and 1 9, and then after 8 for the 32 2 carry 3, 4 to the 8 and 3 11. So after subtracting it comes 604. You can see the continuously it is going on. There is remainder never ends up to 0. So in this case it has been left. Okay, in higher classes you will read about root 2 also, that root 2 is not rational number, it is irrational number. Why? Because it goes on dividing, and while dividing we do not get the same numbers, that is non-terminating, non-recurring number. About this you will be reading in class 9 in better way. Okay, just simply now understand that there is a type of number that is called irrational also. So what happened? 414, so last digit has been rounded up. You can see it is less than 5, so nothing is added. If the last digit would have been more than 5 or even 5 also, then 1 will be added and that will be removed. So you can see it has been written, therefore root 2 is equal to 1.414, that is equal to root 2 is equal to 1.41, correct up to 2 decimal places. Okay, up to 2 places of decimal. Now if you will see example 6, okay, here it is, evaluate root under 0.8, correct up to 2 places of decimal. Okay, so here also what it has been done, it has been taken after point how many numbers, 6 digits. Okay, so and then after it has been divided using the division method, we may find the value of 0.8 as shown below. You can see over here, just after point there is a number, before there is 0 only, so after point only it has been started. You can see after by keeping 0, because there is no number before point, that means there is 0 only. Okay, so point it has been kept. You can see it is a 64, it has been subtracted, it comes 6 and 16 and 20 comes down. Okay, in same way if you will see, double of 8 becomes 16 and 9 has been kept. You can see 9 9 is 81. Of course I had said not bigger number than that it can be kept. We can't keep over here 10, always you have to replace it with 1 digit number only. Okay, so 9 9 is 81, carry becomes 8, and 6 for the 24 and 8 32, carry 3, and 4 1 is 4. Okay, sorry, with 9 it was, sorry, 9 9 is 81, carry 1, and 9 9 is 81, 1, carry 8, and then after 9 6 is 54 and 8 62, carry 6, and 9 1 is 9 and 6 15. So while subtracting what happens, it becomes 79 and 2 more 0 is there. So what happens, double of 89 is 178, and by keeping 4, you can see over here, when you will keep 5 you will get bigger number. So 4 has been kept, and you can see it has been multiplied. 4 for the 16, carry 1, 8 for the 32 and 133, then after 7 for the 28 and 331 and carry 3, 4 1 4 and 3 7. So after subtracting, how much we got? We got 764. So what happens, root under 0.80 is equal to 0.894. Therefore root under 0.8 is equal to 0.89. When rounded up to 2 decimal places, what happens, this 4 is smaller than 5, so nothing will be added, it will become 0.89, correct up to 2 decimal places. So students, generally what happens, square root is always smaller. Okay, but in the case of proper fraction or the numbers or the decimal numbers between our saying positive between 0 and 1, if there is decimal number between 0 and 1, then in that case what happens, its square root is bigger. Okay, like when we say that's what saying, you will see like a square of 0.5, sorry, square root of 0.5 square, of course it will become less. In the case of a square also, what happens, generally a square is bigger, like 2 and 2 square it becomes 4. Okay, 3 and 3 square becomes 9, become bigger, but 0.5 and 0.5 square becomes 0.25, that is smaller. Okay, In same way, its square root becomes bigger. 0.5 square roots, if you will do, of course you will get bigger. You will get about 0.7. when you will find it, then you will understand there are certain numbers whose square root is bigger than the square number, and there are also certain numbers whose squares are smaller than the given numbers. In that cases, the number should be between 0 and 1. Okay, so now here is 3f. If you had remembered last time, okay, I had sent you the solution also of 3f. I had made, I think, question number 8. If you will see down, solution might be over here. Okay, here you can see 3f question number 8 I had written. You can see root under 0.2916 I had kept over here. It has been cancelled directly. By 0 I had cancelled, then after 29 I had brought, and then after 5 5 25 I had done. 4 came down. Okay, again double up 5 becomes 10, and 4 by keeping 4 I get exactly 460. So it has been cancelled and it becomes 0.54. Another question 12 number also I had made, and I had hoped that other questions you can make by yourself. Okay, if not, then today during online class even you can ask me. Okay, so let's move towards 12 number questions which solution I had made over here. Okay, so if you will see, yes, 12 number question. Of course, it has been said to find up to 2 decimal places. You find it up to 3 and then up round it up. Here 2 decimal places, find it up to 3 and round it up. Here up to 2 decimal places, find it up to 3 and round it up. It's very easy. Here it has been said 12 number, find the length of each side of a square whose area is equal to equal to area of rectangle of length this that is 13.6 meter and breadth 3.4 meter. So we know area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So I had written area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and then after I had multiplied length and breadth. If you will see my solution, then after finding area, what I had done, I had made, because it has been said area of rectangle is equal to area of square. So you can see I had multiplied it. Even you can see the multiplication, decimal multiplication is what? Simply you multiply as a number, and then after you count after decimal how many numbers are there. 1 from here and 1 from here, so 2. So after 2 you have to keep the decimal. You can see 6 for the 24. I had not taken as 13.6 and 3.4. I had taken 136 and 34. And then you can see 6 for the 24, carry 2. 4 3 is 12 and 2 14, carry 1. 4 1 is 4 and 1 5. So 6 3 is 18 and carry 1. 3 3 is 9 and 1 10, and 3 1 is 3 and 1 4. So it becomes 4. And then after you can see, sorry, here addition is mistake, so you can correct your addition by yourself. Sorry, here it will be 8 4, 8 plus 4 it becomes 12. Okay, 2 will be there. Okay, here it will be 2. Sorry, by mistake it has been done mistake. Here it will be 2, and then after if you will see, and then after here 1 will be carried, so it will become 46.24. sorry students, here the calculation is mistake. You can calculate by yourself. It will become how much? 46.24. in hurry, sometimes such mistakes happen, and you can see whenever I am explaining I am getting the mistakes and I am correcting it. That's why it is said always when you are making, recheck it once again, and that's why answer is given. So after making you can match the answer. If the answer matches exactly, that means it is correct, and if answer does not matches exactly, that means there is any problem. Okay, so you can see it will become 46.24. then what happens? The length of each side of a square is equal to root under area. We know length of area of length of each side of a square is equal to root under area. Oh, okay, so I had done root under 45.44. actually there should be 46.44. so there has been mistake. Okay, that you will be making correct, and then after you will be making. So if you will keep 46, then also you have to divide by 6 only. 6 6 is 36 only, because 7 7 is 49, it will become bigger. So then after while subtracting, here I had got 9, but you will be getting 10. Okay, and 2 4 will be coming down. Okay, 10,000 sorry 1024 it will become, and 6 double it will become 12. So I think with 8 you will get exactly. Yes, What will happen? 8 8 just 64, carry 6, and then after 8 2 just 16 and 6 22, carry 2, and 8 1 8. Okay, exactly it will become 6.8. Sorry students, there has been mistakes in calculation. I hope all of you can correct it and all of you have understand it. Okay, so answer will be 6.8. Okay, this mistake has also occurred. Why? Because after making, I had not matched the answer. So if you will see, of course in answer it is 6.8 meter only. So students, I hope you had known where is the mistake and you can correct it. Okay, if there will be any problem, you will be asking me during online class. Okay, now if you will see after 3f, okay, after 3f there are again you can see a square root of fraction. Okay, if the numbers are in fraction, how we will be doing a square root? Here you can see for any positive numbers a and b, we have root under ab means what? Root under a into root under b. Okay, and in same way what happens? Root under a by b is equal to root under a by root under b. That is, in common also we can write this means root in common multiplication. Here root is different in, and here you can see this is different and this is common. So common and different, it remains equal. Okay, this relation you have to understand. Okay, and you have to remember also. Even if you will see, here are few solved examples are there. You can see root under 441 by root under 961. Simply you make the different root and you find the square root. You can see after finding a square root, here comes 21 and here comes 31. Of course 21 by 31 becomes the answer. Okay, if it is given, yes, find the square root of 156 by 169, then in that case at first you will change it into mixed fraction. You can see over here 1 into 169 it has been done, and plus 56, that will be the numerator. Okay, improper numerator, so it will become 225 divided by 169. Then 225, okay, when we keep the sign of a square root, then it will be separate. 225 root it becomes 15, and 169 root it becomes 13. So it becomes 15 by 13, and you can even change it into mixed fraction. It will become 1 2 by 13. I hope all of you are understanding. Wherever there will be doubt, again there is online class. It's better facility for us that there is online class also, and we are sending PDF and videos also, so we can you can understand in more better way. And there is also online test where I can test how much you had understand and how much you had not. But okay, there is one problem of the lockdown, that I am not being able to check your copies. Okay, no problem, when it will be unlocked, then at that time I will be checking your copy, and that will be the minor and final correction with you. Okay, so if you will see, example 3 is over here. Find the value of root under 243 by root under 363. Okay, you can see this has been taken common. Why it has been taken common? Might be there any reduction. Of course there is reduction, both is being reduced by 3. You can see 8 3 is 24, 3 1 is 3. Here also 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. So 1 2 1. Now you can see root under 81 is 9 and root under 121 is 11. So it becomes 9 by 11. Okay. For betterment of calculation of root, you should even remember root at least up to 20 number. You can see I am remembering up to 20 number. One is square root of 1 is 1 only. Okay, square even you will remember, then you can understand about a square root. Like square of 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25, 6 is 36, 7 is 49, and then after 8 is 64, 9 is 81, 10 is 100, 11 is 129, 12 is 144, 13 is 169, 14 is 196, 15 is 225. Okay, 16 is 256, 225, 15 225, 16 256. In 17 it becomes 289. Okay, and then after 18 it is 384, I think. Okay, it is 64, it will become so of course yes, it will become 384, like that only. You can just calculate. Okay, calculate and remember up to 20. Okay, as you can see, I am not the student, but also I am remembering. That is doesn't means that I had remembered. Okay, by teaching and teaching, Actually, maths comes by practice also. When you will go on practicing and practicing the things without remembering, there will be in your brain. So you keep on practicing. If you will see here, it has been said find the value of root under 45 into root under 20. So we have root under 45 into root under 20. Root under 45 into root under 20 becomes what? A prime factorized. 45 has been prime factorized and 20 has been also prime factorized. If you will see 3 into 3 9, 9 into 5 25, and 2 into 2 4, and 4 into 5 20. So after prime factorization, in some case after prime factorization we get the paired number. You can see there is pair of 3, pair of 2, pair of 5. So 1 3 2 and 5 comes out, so it becomes 30. If we will do separately we will not be getting, but after doing common multiplication, getting the common square root, we can easily know what is the square root. Okay, so if you will see here, here is exercise 3G. Okay, and of course I had solved 3G question also, 6 number I had solved. You can see in the next PDF which I had sent you today. Okay, here if you will see, okay, I am going up to my now solution. Next PDF I had just taken, which I will be sending you today, where there is a solution of 3G question number 6 also. You can see. And even I had taken, okay, if you will see, this is of earlier one page, and then after you can see 6 number, it's similar, easy also. Okay, so if you will watch over here, question number 6, it has been given 473 by 324. At first what we had done is I had changed the fraction into what? I had changed the fraction into mixed. It was mixed only, improper I had changed. 4 has been multiplied with 324 and plus 73. You can see 324 is multiplied by 4 over here. It becomes 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 2 is 8 and 1 9, and then after 4 3 is 12. So 1296 plus 73 has been done, 639, 97 16, carry 1 and 213, and so it becomes 1369 by 324. So if you will see here, I had just find out the root of 1369. You can see 3 3 is 9, 4 comes down and 69 comes down, 7 7 is 49 and 7 6 is 42, and 4 carry was there, so 46. So we got 37. Okay, and 324 also I had found. You can see their pair of one sentence, and then after 100 a single pair. So 1 1 is 1, and then after 2 comes down, and 224, then 8 8 8 is 64, carry 6, 8 2 is 16, and 6 22. So it has been cancelled. You can see, so it becomes 37 by 18. Then again it has been changed into mixed fraction. It becomes 18 to the 36 and 1 37. So it becomes 2 1 by 18 in mixed fraction form. If you will see, I had solved 9 number question also. 9 number question was like this. You can see I had given the two ways. Okay, by reducing, you can see by reducing with the same number also you can do, which has been done in example also, and here you will be getting more better answer. Okay, or simply you can divide it and you can find the square root in the decimal form also. These both answer, if you will do by calculator, if you will find 13 by 17, then you will be getting this answer only. So you can see either you can divide it, yes, and you can find its square root. As you can see here, I had divided, there has been some mistake. Okay, so I had to divide it again for 5 8 4, then after 7 7 5, there it has been mistake, so I had divided it again. Okay, so it comes 0.764. this up to 6 digit I have found. Okay, and then I had changed it into 3 digit. Okay, or again I had found the HCF. If you will see, I had found the HCF 1183 and 2023. You can see anywhere. Okay, here by long division I had found 764 earlier one. Okay, so after finding HCF, I found that okay, it has got sometimes what happens, we do not get exactly the number by which both is being divisible. So in that case you will find the HCF. When you will find the HCF, I found that yes, both are divisible by 7. So I had divided and I got here 69 and here 289. After dividing, when you will divide, you will understand 7 1 is 7. Then here remains 4 and 8 48. So 7 6 is 42. And then after here again remains 6 and 3. So 63. So 7 9 is 63. In same way here also 7 2 is 14. And then after here remains 6. So 6 and 2 62. So 8 7 are 56. So 6 and 6. So 289 it becomes. So it becomes 169 is root of square root of 169 is 13. If you are knowing that the 13 square is 169, then simply you can write okay, square root of 169 is 13. If you are knowing, that's why I had said up to 20 you have to remember. If you are knowing the square of 17 is 289, so simply you can write 289 as 17. I hope all of you had understood. You can see here is the solution of 4a also that I will be explaining you during the online classes. Okay, and with this PDF even I had tried to complete exercise chapter 4 also. I will be starting chapter 4 during online classes, and also I will be explaining this objective question, test paper, everything orally, because they are very easy and I hope all of you can understand it. Thank you. Just do the work, try to learn, make your brain active, make yourself healthy and feel fit. Okay, and do exercise, physical exercise also. If there is any problem with you, either that is mild fever also or cough also, then please inform to your guardian and get it cured soon. Make yourself healthy and strong. Thank you very much. We will be again meeting today itself in online classes. Okay, thank you very much.